Manish, we are at IFFI right now, where you just premiered your first film as a producer. Um, what are the jitters that producers go through? First, a producer goes through when an audience watches the film.
Well, mainly to excitement थी क्योंकि I've been wanting to do this for a while and I think I think for me it's exciting, and you know what, it's also an emotional moment for me because I'm here in Goa at our Indian Film Festival. It's the first time I'm here for the festival, and it feels very, very special. Um, but I think I'm actually more excited than nervous, and it's a very different aspect of me. And मैं ये चाहता था कि Stage 5 की जो शुरुआत हो as a production company should not have that image के अच्छा glamorous कपड़े हैं, always been attached to big stars, big fashion shows, label across the world. This is another aspect of us, and I think cinema has given me so much. Being awestruck by cinemas since childhood, professional 34 years in the movies. This is like a give back where I wanted to support storytellers, first time directors, and we are a completely involved production company, from casting to what should I say, from casting to music to the DOP कौन है, the art director कौन है, सब कुछ costumes क्या है. So I think I've really enjoyed that process. Yes, it's difficult, it's not easy, it's a lot of decision making, but I think I understand films, and I've been around for so many years. I understand कैसी crises आते हैं. I come from a very secure place where I want to share the stage with other filmmakers and other artists. And so for me, it's like, oh my God, 8-9 years it's taken us to reach here. And it's been 3.5 years for Stage 5 production now. And we have 3 films lined up. So it feels good.
I'll take you back to your film called Luck by Chance, where you did a cameo with Rishi Kapoor, wherein he was getting hyper saying, "तू कितने पैसे charge करता है as a designer?" So who was calming you down as a producer?
Well, बहुत लोगों ने. Yeah, I remember when I came into the movies in 1990. That time there was no male designer for actresses, and producers would look at you, कि अच्छा, what is the budget? But to say, I'm very serious about characters. What is the girl's role? Makeup, hair, jewelry, kya hogi, work out the look. It took time. I started in 1990, and 95 is when Rangila released, which changed things for me and for everyone. And it takes its time. You just have to be patient. So each time when I would get stuck as a producer, I would remind myself of those 5 years where it took time, right? And see, it's taken as much as time even here.
Now, I heard you saying that you always wanted to make films. Was that always, let's say, that when you got into costume, was it a way to enter the industry to make films at the end of the day?
When I came to costumes, I always thought I'll be a costume designer. I never even thought I'll have my own label. I never even thought I'll start doing weddings. I thought I'll only do movies. वो आता गया, मैं करता गया और सब हो गया. That gave me the confidence that, why don't I get into filmmaking also?
Manish, on your Instagram, it's very famous. It's very known picture wherein a lot of actresses come to your house. Like, your house has now become like a photo session, like a photo booth where all paparazzis come and shoot. Has none of your female actress, your actress friends have told you, मुझे क्यों नहीं लिया इस पिक्चर के अंदर?
भाई एक दो को पूछा भी था, but I think that was different. But ऐसा नहीं है. They've asked me also, but I'm sure sometimes some film will work together as well.
Now, Manish,
they ask me कि आप कितना कुछ करते हो? How do you get the time? How do you do so much?
I would ask you the same thing, because you have a plate wherein you have your label, you have your movies, you have your jewelry. Now you're adding being a producer. How big is your plate right now?
Very big. And that's almost like 18-20. See all my tired people. See how they're looking all tired.
Sure. Okay, Manish, my last question to you is, can you? So you create designs, and there are people who copy it. Can you see someone who's done a Manish Malhotra copy? Can you pick it out that this is my style?
Well, now on Instagram and all, we see so many clothes which are just tagged our clothes, and they've tagged themselves. So yeah, I'm like, ये क्या हो रहा है?
How does it? What goes through? you're probably one of the most copied artists in the industry right now.
Other designers also are copied, aisa nahi hai. But I think that yes, you feel cheated, right? You feel like, hey, but that's my picture, like, it's an actor or a model, so you do feel odd, yeah.
Manish, thank you so much for your time. Thanks.